Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovely Nina and today I am coming at you with a beauty video. And today we're just gonna do a quick review of this hair that I bought. I went on their website, I looked at hair. I always wanted a nice bob wig. I tried a couple of times trying to get a nice straight bob wig and it hasn't turned out good. So I'm like, let me shoot my luck and see. I'm going to be reviewing the hair from Love Me Version Hair. It came with this wig fold thing. I don't know what this circle thing that's one inside in there. I think this is a wig thing, a wig head or something like that. So, and the hair came pretty quickly, like it came pretty fast, and that's probably because of the cost. This dude, it did cost a lot. Inside the box, when you open it, they had this little pocket that inside of it, I'm not gonna say like, why are you not trying to open? They have a comb, some hair clips, pins, and elastic band. And also they have a wig cap, which is good because I did not bring one with me. And yeah, that's about all that comes with the hair. So let's just get into how the hair looks like. I haven't seen it before. I am really hoping it's good quality hair because I did not spend all of that money. I'm gonna put exactly the amount I spend with shipping. This does not look good. So this is the hair and I'm not liking this. What? No, I don't even have to open. It's not black. I want it black. What is this? I got the bob 10 inch. And this, ooh, it smells like something wet. It smells wet. It feels, no, I don't like how this feels. It feels very dull hair like. The hairline looks, look at the hair, look at the part. The part looks quite, understand that it looks so tiny, like it's so obvious. For that much amount of money, I'm quite disappointed. And it's shredded. Look at this, it is shredded already. It's called Bob Wig Human Hair Closure Wig Silky Blunt Cut. So this is what it looks like on their website. And this is what I got. I guess I can make this work. We'll try it on and see, but it's so frizzy, it's so spiky. It doesn't lay, it's not laying nice and clean like you see here. That looks like a more softer human hair. This looks like synthetic plasticky hair. I can cut this black lacy part off right here because the lace is right here. It comes out. It can come out, like I can cut it off, and the lace is right here. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I cut it off and it looks so much better. And this is the finish, so you see the actual lace. I don't necessarily need this wig cap because I have a low cut hair, but it makes me feel, I don't know, it's just a force of habit. It makes me just feel better when What is this? What is going on here? I don't understand this. I don't get it. See, this is the thing about Bob that I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what's happening. Like, I think I need a flat iron it, because when I do this, it looks okay. When I remove my hand, it's so bulky up here. I don't understand. Something going on that I don't understand. This is the best I can get the hair to look like, to look decent. I'm not really feeling the hair that much, so Yeah, I'm gonna wear it as a side part instead of a middle part. It just kind of looked like I slapped hair on top of my hand. That's it. Just doesn't look flattering. It feels so plasticky and it's very thin. The hair is very thin. It's not as full as I would have liked for it to be. So yeah, like if you have a hat, if I put on a hat, it will look very decent. With makeup, it looks okay. I feel like without makeup, this hair would not look good at all. The line, the part here, it's uncalled for. I'm going to have to try and tweeze it, and the fact of the matter is because they made a very precise tiny line, tweezing it will be very harder, and it might not even like eliminate that line. It might look a bit tacky, so I might have to try to manipulate it to work for me. I don't like the hair. The packaging is cute. I feel like they should have spent much more money on the product than this packaging. Camera, it doesn't look that bad. It really does. It's not that bad. It's just not great either, and it wasn't what I was anticipating for, and it was not, definitely not the picture that they advertised on their website. And I'll probably give it a 6 out of 10 because I don't look that bad, but I know maybe 5.5, 6. In this channel I do a couple of things. I do beauty related videos, fashion, lifestyles, movies, films, yeah, those type of things. Anything that floats in my boat, I kind of do those things because that's what I enjoy. And if you don't mind, consider subscribing. I would appreciate it very, very much. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, have a lovely day. Bye.